The squared pieces of steel are heated under high temperatures as a preparation to be forged. As soon as the steel is forged, the form of the knife is outlined on the steel piece and cut out by hand. The steel is heated again and the forged logo is stamped into the material. To obtain the right hardness, the hot steel is submerged into a specialized coolant. When the right hardness has been reached, the rough steel part is sanded and for the very first time polished. The handle is connected to the blade and also the handle is ready to be polished. Then we continue with the most important step in the process, grinding. The blade is grinded with a specialized grinding machine from Japan. Every knife is grinded individually and by hand. Before packaging the knives, they are cleaned. A protective layer based on a natural oil is added to the handle. The result is a special and unique knife, waiting to be handled by you.